Park Rangers, and happy HOWLidays! My name is Melissa and I'm the coordinator for the Park Ranger program. Typically around this time of year, we would hold a party to say thank you for all of your hard volunteer work. This year looks a little bit different, and so we're doing a lot of things online. Since this is also the time of year where we do a lot of baking, I thought that it might be nice to include your pup. So today I'm going to show you how to make these really festive pumpkin and peanut butter dog biscuits that your pup can enjoy the next time they're out on the trail. The things you will need to get started today are peanut butter, pumpkin puree, 1 egg, and some flour. Don't forget a bowl, a spoon, cookie cutters, and your measuring cups. Now today I'm going to be using pumpkin that I canned myself, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody knew that if you have any questions about the ingredients and are concerned about giving them to your dog, that I would check with their vet. So all the ingredients today should be safe, but if you have any concerns, I would recommend calling your vet first. You want to start by heating your oven to 350. So we're going to start with peanut butter. You want to mix the wet ingredients first. And I'm using Smooth. This is going to help those cookies stick together. So 1/3 cup peanut butter. Scrape the spoon. 3/4 cup pumpkin, and I'm using pumpkin that I made by baking some sugar pumpkins down and pureeing it. You can use canned pumpkin if you want. I like to do this because I know exactly what's in it. Looks like I'm gonna have just enough. And then 1 egg. And we're gonna stir this until it's nice and combined. Which might take a while because of that peanut butter. This is a warm-up for all my cookie making. Get that arm muscle going. All right. Now I have some really well-stirred pumpkin peanut butter egg mixture. I'm gonna add the flour. You want to add a little bit at a time, so we're not gonna just put the whole cup in. We're gonna do maybe like 1/3 to 1/2 cup. Just kind of stir it in as we go. And this will give you the opportunity to check the consistency so that if you reach that sugar cookie consistency that we're looking for, you can stop before you reach 2 cups. Okay, that's 1. Got a nice dough forming. And I can be a bit of a hand mixer, so if you get to a point where stirring's really tough, just take a clean hand, knead it on in. The dough's coming together. This is a really nice sugar cookie. Oh. Right on time. Flour. I usually just do this right on my countertop. You can use a cutting board if you so choose. Right. And then you're going to take a rolling pin, flour the rolling pin a little bit. You're just going to roll it out to a nice even layer. We're looking probably for what, like a 1/4 inch cookie. And you can see this rolls pretty easily. Once you get it rolled to the consistency that you want to take a cookie cutter. I happen to have one that looks like a pumpkin. I thought that would be kind of festive. And then you're just going to cut out your treats. I'd love to see what shapes y'all make for your dog treats. I'm gonna place these on a cookie sheet. And you're gonna bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then move them to a rack to cool. Thank you for baking with me today. I hope you and the Bark Ranger in your life enjoy these special dog treats, and thank you for all of the volunteer work that you do for us. Have a good and happy HOWLidays, Bark Rangers! Come here, sit. Good dog.